සුබ දවසක් ඔයා හැමෝටම. අපි අද පටන් ගන්න යන්නේ pharmacy external course paper discussion එකේ 8 වෙනි paper එක. ඔයාලට මොනවා හරි අපහසු දෙයක් තිබුණොත් මට WhatsApp එකෙන් විදිහට දාන්න 077යි 18යි 46යි 911ට. ඒ වගේම channel එකට subscribe කරන්න කියලා ආරාධනා කරනවා. ඒක like කරන්න, comment කරන්න. හරි අපි යමු paper එකට. Define following. පළවෙනි එක කියනවා combination. 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 Tunggu berian no. අපි හඳුනන size reduction කියලා. Size reduction. Unit operation size reduction is a unit operation of reducing substance to smaller particles. Many sizes of powder. And granules are used in pharmaceutical industry. Combination is used as process that reduce particle size to require to small particles. Filtration. Filtration is defined as a unit operation and it is a separation technique. Most probably it may be It may be physical operation. Physical operation. It is used for. It is used for the separation of separation of solid from liquid or gas by interposing medium through which only the fluid can be passed. Ilang course dry C course dry නිකද අපි ලියන්න ඕන is a unit operation is a unit operation in Mr. liquid is removed from material by the application of heat dry condition of a solid ingredient indicate that is equilibrium with the atmospheric with which it is contact this process not required 100% 100% liquid removing from the solid every time every time. 이거는 이런 거였어. size separation. Size separation. Size separation. Size separation. Is a unit operation in is a unit operation in which particles of desired size are separate from other fraction. අපි යමු දෙවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නෙට. Write on filter papers. Filter papers. Filter papers. Filter papers. Filter papers is a semi-permeable porous paper which is used to separate fine substance from liquid dough. Yeah, they are made from different papers from cellulose are used as traditionally many type of filter papers are available such as air filters coffee filters, laboratory filters, laboratory filters, many grades are, many grades are, many grades are available, available, available. They are graded in numbers, they are graded in numbers. Graded in numbers. Number one. Number one. For general purpose. For general purpose. Number 50. Number 50. For clean. For clean. Filtration. Filtration. Slow fine particles. Slow fine particles. Particles. Number 54. Number 54. Acid and alkaline. Acid and alkaline solution. Solution. Fast. Fast. Force particles. Force particles. ඊළඟ කොටස freeze drying. Freeze drying. Freeze drying. Is a drying method. Is a drying method. Used to substances which cannot be heated even to moderate temperature. In ordinary dry. Example: antibiotic, hormones. Freeze drying is the substance is usually drying by very cold air. Freeze drying. The water is as the vapor by sublimation from the frozen material in vacuum chamber after moisture sublimate to vapor it is removed by mechanical vacuum pump or stem jet ejector in here temperature and pressure are supply in or under triple point we're going to meet down evaporation is a unit operation of changing a liquid into vapor stage change under the influence of heat it happens from the surface of the liquid at the boiling point the boiling point. Boiling point. Or under boiling. It is a slow separation technique. Can be influenced by the changing of the following factors. Air surface area, pressure and temperature, ඊළඟ කොටස distillation. Tunjuk pilihan dong. Physical separation method. Method used to separate compound from the mixture. It is based on the boiling point from the compound in the mixture. When a mixture has different boiling points, they evaporate at different times. When it is beginning heating, heating. Distillation, distillation, distillation involves obtaining obtaining gas or vapor from liquids by heating condensing to liquid it is a rapid process we collect remove part in the process ඊළඟ කොටස කියන write down centrifugation it is unit operation that used to separate heterogeneous mixture by sedimentation according to the density of each component of the mixture uses production of bulk drug separation of blood cells in blood samples used in control tests like sedimentational rate evolution of evolution of suspension and emulsion. Suspension and emulsions. Determination of of molecular weight of colloids. Let's see. Advantages. Separation process. Like separation process can be done without filter materials. Quick and effective method of size separation. අපි යන ඊළඟ ප්‍රශ්නෙට. Briefly explain the method of heat transfer method. Conduction. Direct flow of heat through a materials resulting from physical contact. Convection. Heat transfer between a surface and fluid. Radiation. It is transfer of thermal energy material of space by electromagnetic waves. Explain difference between evaporation and distillation. Evaporation and distillation. Evaporation. 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 Distillation. Distillation. Evaporation. Slow process. Slow process. Distillation. Rapid process. Rapid process. Line. Remaining part is collected. Remaining part is collected. Removing part is collected. Removing part is collected. Only occurs at the surface. Only occurs at the surface. Surface. Doesn't only occur at the surface. Occur at the surface. Liquid. Vaporize. Below boiling point. Liquid vaporize. At boiling points. Boiling points. Evaporation. Distillation. point. Main purpose is to transforms liquid into gas. Main purpose is obtaining vapor or gas from compounds and condense condense, then into, then into, then into, separate liquid, separate liquid, liquid. Explain difference between maceration and percolation. Maceration, maceration, percolation, percolation. Maceration, equipment, 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 use, use, boiled, boiled, meals of, meals of, rotating, 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 like equipments, equipments, are conical, are conical, percolator, percolator, cylindrical, percolator, cylindrical, percolator, steam jet, percolator, steam jet, percolator, percolator. Maceration, percolation, percolation. ඊළඟ point එක. More time consuming, more time consuming, consuming, and extraction is not complete, is not completing, is not completing, completing. Short time, short time, short time. Consuming and, consuming and, consuming and. More complete, more complete. Extraction, extraction, extraction. No need, no need, no need. Experience, experience. Operators, operators. Want to experience, operators. Want to experience, operators, operators. Suitable for, suitable for. Less potent, less potent. And cheap drugs, and cheap drugs, drugs. Suitable for, suitable for. more potent drug, more potent drug, drug. ඊළඟ ප්‍රශ්නේ දිහා. Write the difference between combination and size separation. Combination and size separation. Combination. Combination. Size separation. Size separation. Process of reducing substance to smaller particles is the process particles of desired size are separate from other fraction most probably it is the first step in a manufacturing process. This process is done after combination in a manufacturing process. Combination, size separation. Chemical, mechanical, and physical method. Mechanical method. Higher force should be applied. Higher force should be applied. Less force are applied. language. Write the advantage, disadvantage of filtration. Filtration, advantage, filtration, advantage, 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 very heat, sensitive, sensitive, substances, can be sterile, by using filtration, filtration, running cost, is low, as separate, filter medium, is not used, low noise and vibration, low power required, obtain purified water, purified water, easily remove unwanted substance, remove unwanted particles, plus advantages, ഉദയ പിടിയാണോ? time wasting, advantages mean disadvantages, time wasting, extra cost added, some equipment is very expensive, some filters cannot remove all contaminate, ඊළඟ ප්‍රශ්න. Briefly explain pharmaceutical application of drying. India pilihan dulu. pharmaceutical application, pharmaceutical application of dry. Tunggu pilihan dulu. To obtain stable medicinal chemical to obtain homogeneous product fruit drugs dried prior to extraction avoid deterioration instability on storage condition transport drying is important stage in some formulating operation. For reducing the bulk and weight. For reducing the bulk and weight. अंतिम प्रश्न है. Briefly explain importance of combination and application of size reduction. Tunggu pilihan dulu. Combination yang होता combination size reduction tunggu pilihan dulu. lead to increase of surface area of the particles. To increase the rate of dissolving of the drug. Size reduction produce particle in narrow size range. Mixing of powders can easier see for narrow size range, for narrow size range, narrow size range. Size reduction, combination ഇതൊക്കെ പോയിട്ട് increase the therapeutic effectiveness of certain drug increase the rate of absorption of the drug quick and great of passive diffusion method for external application of the skin, for external application of the skin හරි අපි අද සාකච්ඡා කරේ 8 වෙනි පේපර් එක. 8 වෙනි පේපර් එක තමයි ඉවර කරේ. pharmacy external course paper 8 එක තමයි ඉවර වුනේ. paper 8 එක තමයි ඉවර වුනේ. මොනවාරි ඔයාලට ගැටලුවක් ඇති වුණොත් මට WhatsApp message එකක් දාන්න. WhatsApp 077 18යි 46යි 911ට. channel එකට subscribe කරන්න කියලා ආරාධනා කරනවා. subscribe like කරන්න, comment කරන්න. හැමෝටම සුබ දවසක්. අපි ඊළඟ පේපර් එකේ හමු වෙමු.